Closer look at the speaker, and as you can see, it has a cloth material that wraps around about 85% of the body of the speaker, and the rest of it is this plastic piece that goes from the bottom to top and on the side as well, and it's this softer touch to it, softer feel. On the top of the speaker there's a couple of things. First off, we have the power button in the middle, and a little bit to the edge of it we have the Bluetooth connection button, and this is a multifunctionality button because this will act as your answer and hang up button for your speakerphone functionality as well. Now if you power the speaker on, first off it will make that sound, and then the Bluetooth connection will make another sound and the light will come on. And as you can see, both lights are on, and once I power it off, it will make that sound again and both lights will go off. And on the plastic on the side, we have our volume up and down controls, which are these gigantic positive and negative signs. And the same way as with the original UE Boom, if you press on these simultaneously, it will actually announce the amount of charge left in the battery, just like this.
80% charge.
Moving down towards the bottom of the speaker, we have a few things. And the first thing I want to point out is this D-ring. And not only are you going to be able to hang the speaker off from this, but you can also remove it and mount the speaker onto a tripod. But I'm going to leave it in there for now. On top of the D-ring, we have our auxiliary input, which is a 3.5mm mini jack input, and it's housed right under this little waterproofing flap. As soon as you plug in the jack in there, it will activate the input for you, so you don't even have to press any buttons. On the other side of the D-ring, we have our micro USB charger port, and it's recessed a bit because of the waterproofing plug, and for this reason you might not be able to plug in larger cables into it, but so far I had no problems with any of my cables. There's also a small LED indicator on top, which will start flashing once the speaker is plugged in and it's charging. Also, just to make sure to plug in all these flaps back into place before you plan to drop your speaker into water. There's also an NFC sensor on the side